Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer rewards with Capital One, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer rewards with Capital One, start by logging into your Capital One account. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section of your account. Here, you will find an option for transfer rewards. Select the transfer option to view eligible travel partners. Review the list of airlines and hotel partners for your rewards transfer. Choose the partner with which you'd like to transfer your rewards. Enter the number of miles or points you wish to transfer. Make sure to check the transfer ratio for the selected partner. Confirm that your chosen amount meets any minimum transfer requirements. If required, enter your loyalty account number for the partner. Carefully review the transfer details on the confirmation screen. Once everything looks correct, proceed with the transfer. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your transfer is in progress. Transfers may take several hours to complete, but some can be instantaneous. You can track the status of your transfer in your Capital One account. After the transfer is complete, verify the points or miles in your partner account. If you encounter any issues, contact Capital One customer service for assistance. Now you're ready to enjoy your rewards with your chosen partner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.